Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the VISNEE newest drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about price. The VISNEE comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. You could buy it and still have enough left for a decent pizza. On the other hand, the Techwonderz will set you back $129. Reviewers appreciate the Techwonderz for being cost-effective and great value despite the higher price. Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The VISNEE boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle. It's perfect for capturing those "I'm totally not lost in the park" selfies. However, some reviewers noted that the image quality could be improved due to the lack of an electronic stabilizer. Meanwhile, Techwonderz offers dual 1080p HD cameras and a front camera that can rotate 90 degrees. Plus, it has a 50x zoom, and reviewers rave about its excellent picture quality. Flight features next. VISNEE's got one-button takeoff and landing, 3 speed modes, and a 360 degrees flip. It's like the drone equivalent of a beginner skateboarder who can do a kickflip. However, some users experienced issues with control buttons and rotor malfunctions. Techwonderz, however, takes it up a notch with optical flow positioning, waypoint functions, and follow me mode. Reviewers find it easy to use, even for beginners. Stability and control, two things that are crucial for drones and for my morning coffee routine. VISNEE offers altitude hold and high-definition display, making it pretty stable. However, some users have reported issues with the stability after minor crashes. Techwonderz, though, has optical flow positioning and altitude hold, making it as stable as a cat on a Roomba. Reviewers highly praise its stability and control. Obstacle avoidance, because crashing into trees is so last season. VISNEE has automatic obstacle avoidance, which is great for those of us who can't even avoid bumping into furniture. However, some reviewers had issues with the drone's durability after crashes. Techwonderz also features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, making it practically ninja level at dodging. Reviewers love its obstacle avoidance capabilities. Battery life, because nobody likes a drone that dies mid-flight. VISNEE comes with 2 batteries, giving you a combined flight time of 30 minutes. That's like one episode of your favorite sitcom. However, some users are frustrated by the short battery life. Techwonderz, on the other hand, boasts a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are pleased with its longer battery life. Overall, reviewers find the VISNEE newest drone to be a good budget option, with easy controls and decent features, though some have encountered issues with durability and image quality. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone with camera is praised for its excellent picture quality, ease of use, and advanced features, making it a valuable choice despite the higher price. So which drone should you go for? If you're balling on a budget and want something simple yet effective, VISNEE is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for extra features and longer flight time, Techwonderz is the way to go. Either way, you're getting a flying gadget that's sure to impress your friends and probably scare a few birds. That's all for today's drone showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below to let us know which drone you'd pick, or if you have any other products you want us to compare. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.